Okay, I have a package here. Yes, I have a package here. This is actually package, and let's open it up. We are unboxing it. Now, I will be honest, it was a bit noisy, and it is a bit noisy, but we have a Nintendo Switch 2 microSD Express. Let me explain a bit about it. Let's move the box. It's really envelope, but let's move the box out of the way and talk about this, okay? I'm going to talk a little bit about it. I know the channel is usually just about unboxings, but I like talking with you guys about the product, okay? So, the whole thing with the SD card, this is a micro SD Express, okay? Now, the reason why that's relevant, because the Nintendo Switch 2 needs Express in order for you to save games on the SD card. Whereas the Nintendo Switch 1 only used the regular micro SD card. So the fact that this is Express is very good, actually. Now, the Nintendo Switch 2 has a fair amount of memory already, if I recall. So this is just like a super cool addition, if you will. So that is pretty cool. If I'm being perfectly honest, that's actually very cool. This is 256 gigabytes, and you can put more than just Mario on it. Now, it's funny I say that, considering that as of recording this, Super Mario 64 is not a title that I believe is available directly on the Nintendo Switch 2. I think technically you can play it through Nintendo, Nintendo Switch Online, I think it's called, but you don't actually need a SD card to do that. So anyway, but Mario is a recognizable character, so I understand. I understand. Okay, so yeah, that's about that on the unboxing, and I mean, I guess I can show you guys me opening this, right? Yeah, yeah, I can show you guys me opening this. Okay, let's see. Can I show you guys me opening this? Yes. Okay. There we go. And then it's in here. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Now I am going to put it back in here just for future me, so I don't lose it and forget about losing it. So, yeah, as you can see, 256 micro express SD card. Hopefully, you guys were not disappointed with this unboxing, and it looks like it's by Samsung, and it's an official Nintendo Switch 2, as it said here. Official Nintendo Switch 2 micro SD Express, opposed to the Nintendo Switch 1's micro SD card. Now, if you would like to see how to install this in the Nintendo Switch 2 and whatnot, I will be doing that video in the future on my iTechnically channel. Link in the description below. So definitely feel free to check that out. And I'm going to end it off here. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing, and I will catch you guys in the future. Later.